Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. I have this question here. The areas of two similar triangles are 100 centimeters square and 4 centimeters square respectively. If the altitude of the bigger triangle is 8 centimeters, then we have to find the corresponding altitude of smaller triangle. Now we know in similar triangles, similar triangles ratio of corresponding sides is equal to ratio of corresponding altitudes. Therefore, let's see, we know that area of triangle is half base into height. Therefore, in this case, area will be half b1 into h1 and half b2 into h2, where b1, b2 are bases and h1, h2 are heights of the triangles. Now, since they are in proportion, we know that b1 equal to m times b2 and h1 will be equal to m times h2. Since they are parts of similar triangles, they are in proportion. So the factor multiplying bases is going to be the same as factor multiplying height in this way. Now we are given that area 1 is equal to half b1 h1, so half mb1 mb2 mh2 is area 1. So we have half m square b2h2 as area 1 and area 2 is half b2h2. Therefore, we know area 1 is equal to m square times area 2. Now we are given a1 equal to 100 and a2 equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, 100 equal to m square into 4. a1 equal to 100 centimeter square and a2 equal to 4 centimeter square given. Therefore, we have m square equal to 100 by 4. Therefore, m equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. This we get by discarding negative value, So we get m equal to 5. Now we are given in the question that altitude of the bigger triangle is 8 centimeter and we have to find altitude of the smaller triangle. So we know h1 is equal to mh2. We will use this relationship. Let me name this as equation 1. So this is equation 1. Therefore, h1 is equal to mh2. h1 given as 8 centimeter. Therefore, h2 equal to h1 by m. Now we found m as 5, h as 8 given, so 8 by 5, which is equal to, we get 5 ones are 5, 3 remains, 5 6 are 30. So h2 is 1.6 centimeter. So let's look at the option. Yes, answer is option B.